The Marson SST installation tool comes complete with 2 front-end assemblies and complete instructions. Before you use the SST, assemble the 2 washers and bearing assemblies to make up the nose piece. Place the mandrel inside the washer bearing assembly. Then place it into the nose assembly. Add the hex adapter to the back of the assembly. Place the nose assembly on the tool. Push back on the locking collar and release to lock in the front end assembly. Attach the air supply to the tool. Then place the rivet on the nose piece to test the tool. Your SST tool is now ready for use.
Arconic Fastening Systems, innovation engineered.